So recently, another query over here is campaign is not spending, help you out, Google Ads. Okay, so let me try to see how I can help. Hi Ali, hello. Running Google search ads for a garage door repair company, call ads plus lead form. Before we made any changes, we were consistently getting 3 to 4 calls, forms filled a day at a solid CPL cost per lead with broad match keywords and no bid strategy constraints. $50 to $150 a day. Here's what we changed: added a portfolio bid strategy with a uh, $150 target CPA cost per action and $15 target CPC. Okay. Switched most keywords from broad match to phrase match, the rest to exact match. Removed broad match entirely. We also had a boot load of keywords 40 plus. After those changes, performance tanked. We went from spending 150 Canadian dollars a day to dollar 200 to $300 per week. The campaign shows eligible limited and zero conversion. It's clearly a spend delivery issue, not just a conversion issue or something to do with our own account. Okay, what we have done to fix it so far is removed the portfolio bid strategy and cleared the CPA CPC goals. Trimmed keyword list down to 11 active keywords, 9 broad match phase, 2 phrase match. It's essentially trying to revert back to what was working before. Are there any other changes we should make to get delivery back to normal? Does it just need time to re-enter the learning phase, or is there something else we are missing? Any advice or insights is appreciated. Okay, so yeah, good to see. And for anyone who whose campaign is Google Ads campaign is not spending or not delivering the results, I think that we need to follow a strategy for this. It was working before and suddenly stopped working. It is ideally for those. So if a scenario like this over here, go to your change history in your Google Ads account. Let me show you one of the Google Ads account. So this is one of the Google Ads account. What you have to do is to simply go into your change history over here. Okay. And once you open your change history, what you have to do is to reverse those, undo those changes. So reverse or undo those changes which you have done recently or which you feel are the part of the problem. Okay, that is one way. Not ideal, not recommended. It is ideal for beginners or newbies who do not have much idea. Ideally, what I'm going to suggest you is something different. Okay, apart from reading all of this, I think that we can do few of the things. Okay, I think that the target CB bidding strategy is not good at all. In my opinion, I do not recommend at all, even with maximized conversions. But every case is different. I do recommend it all as well. So it depends on the campaign maturity. Also, we have to learn to give the time to the campaign to work well. So my opinion is to remove your portfolio bidding strategy for now. Okay, but I do not recommend removing a change which you have done is to maintain the CPA target CPC. So remove the portfolio bid strategy but maintain target CPA which you have set at $15 candidate. Okay, so my opinion is do it, and this is one of the thing you can do. Apart from this, your bidding keyword bidding strategy where you have trimmed to 9 broad match and 2 phrase match. Okay, it's fine with the broad matches, but with broad matches add smart bidding and improve your ad group structure, and possibly divide them into more ad groups with intent based ads. Okay, this can help. Also add ad assets to your ads. Okay, if you have not added yet and it was working well, even it's gonna make you improve your conversions. For instance, this is one of the ad preview tool I usually recommend. What the ad preview tool is going to do is to show you how your ad is going to be shown. Now this is a normal ad, but if I add different ad assets to the ads, you may see around how optimized your ad has become. So this is an ad preview. See around when you have your ad with advertisement ratings, side links, side extensions, location extension, assets, promo, coupon deals, going grabs the customers with authenticity, trust. So this can help you. So add assets to your own ads. Apart from this, I think look around for your search terms to see how your campaign is performing, what kind of keywords are working well for you and what's not, because you are using the broad match, so you may have a lot of data over here to optimize. And look around on your old data, and over there, the campaign, the queries which were generating the most sales, add them in your add them as exact or phrase match, ideally exact match, as keywords in your current campaign. So that is how you can increase your keyword basis and remove those which are not working well. And lastly, my opinion is to add a heat map or tracking software for to understand user behavior and to eliminate click fraud. Okay, do these, and this is how you can optimize and get the most out of it when your campaign is not spending and it was spending before. So I hope follow these strategies and you will be able to recover through it. So I think that these are a few of the strategies which anyone can follow to improve their campaigns which were not working and the campaigns were not spending money at all on Google Ads. So yeah, I hope this answers your question and query. And for anyone needs a professional Google Ads audit setup or management, we are a full-fledged Google Ads partner company with the name of ARSWEBS.com. Arswebs.com is a Google partner company. You can hire me and my team through the link in the description. We are a Google partner company and have been helping businesses with all of your issues related to Google Ads. Or we are a full-fledged marketing agency. And if you want to look around on all of the offers and details, simply click on the link in the description. And I look forward working with you. So I hope this answers your question, query. Thank you for watching, and I look forward working. Take care and bye bye.